based on my internet research. It may not be 100% accurate.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's me Universe Collector. In today's video we will talk about a beautiful fitness model. People are often amazed to see the beauty of this fitness model. What do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments. And if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new videos like this. And now we come to the video. Who is Marv Hatchery? Instagram is full of models and athletes uploading pictures of their gym progress. Today we celebrate these who have the best abs on the platform. Female fitness models are some of the most inspirational athletes in the world. Not only do these amazing women accomplish incredible things, but they bring fans along with them for the journey. Therefore, at every step of the way, these athletes give you a reason to try achieving your own goals. One of the best part of incredible abs. So today we will be taking a look at the top Instagram model that inspire us to work our midsections. Great efforts always bring great changes. This Colombian model and influencer is Maria Fernanda Hatchery, but she is better known on social media as Marv Hatchery, very famous on Instagram. Marv is a fitness model who puts her efforts into working and improving her body every day. She loves horses and tells us that riding is one of her great passions. With her training includes kickboxing. And she says that traveling is another of her passion. Apart from that, she is also a CrossFit athlete and like to ride a bike. She has worked hard to have the spectacular body. She invited by many magazines to appear on their cover page. Her found fame also helped her become an Instagram star. Marv has to maintain the utmost physical condition. However, she still makes plenty of the time for her Instagram as well. In fact, it is here that fans can gain a bit of insight into the workout she completes to keep her figure, including her crazy abs. She used fitness to transform her life and invites others to do same. And it is clear how much time she spent training in the gym. Moreover, her six-pack abs are further proof of this fact. Her life seems to revolve around fitness and showing how anybody can have a body like her if they work hard enough. Her love for fitness is evident with one look at her incredible toned midsection. Training. Marv says she's been training hard for years now. Over the years, she realized that she would not feel motivated and ready to crush the workout every day. Despite this, she gets up every morning and does what needs to get done. In Marv's eyes, the best training routine is the one of that she can stick to consistently in spite of the obstacles. She said, "I do it like it's a job. I make sure that other people are counting on me and expecting me to show up." In terms of her training, it's not unusual for Kat to train 2 or even 3 times per day. When getting ready for CrossFit Games, she might train for several hours every day, working on her Olympic lifts, mobility and conditioning. While some CrossFitters prefer focusing on weight versus volume, she likes to alternate between the two. So one week, she will do a lot of training that's focused on heavy compound lifts. Another week, she might lighten up the load and increase the reps to work on her conditioning. Since her incredible workouts burn so many calories, she does not have to do cardio separate from her weightlifting season. CrossFit workout are conditioned workout that involves varied functional movements which are consistent like lifting, limbing, rowing, which are often done with a higher intensity. Thought it can be done without weight. Some prefer weight like dumbbells to add on to their core strength. CrossFit workouts include a whole range of very intense exercise and movement which burns out the calories into a double phase compared to normal workouts. CrossFit training exercise promises to keep your body fit and firm by burning out calories in a quick pace. This intense training program makes sure that each and every part of your body is involved in one or the other movement. This makes the muscle more flexible and adaptive to new movements. Before diving into the harsh workout benefit of doing CrossFit workouts, these highly intense CrossFit training exercise does bear a healthy fruit. Your pain will never go vain. Once you practice CrossFit workout routine on a day basis, the benefits are both physical or psychological. Has this a training program, it builds up good and strong social media relationships too. CrossFit training exercises award you with strong muscles which are not only for you to flaunt off but provides you the core strength and stamina to perform daily routine as well as tough competitions. This also lead to better overall health and conditioning of your body. High intensity burst training help lose more fat in quite a good pace rather than any other cardio or aerobic workouts. Intense CrossFit workouts burns out more calories regardless of initial body mass or fitness level. Throughout the workout, your heart rate retains elevated all the time. This increases the heart enduring power. Apart from that, sufficient supply of oxygen increases the pumping rate, thereby giving you a healthy heart. CrossFit workouts will all intense weight and lifting boost up your stamina and physical flexibility. It provides you the core strength needed for your bones and muscles to be strong and healthy. By improving the inherent stamina residing in us, our body becomes more resistant to several chronic and viral diseases. As the immunity power rise up, apart from range of physical benefits, CrossFit programs also help in training your mind. It improves the sense of otherness or togetherness. Forming a group with a peer trainer, it boosts up our motivation to practice in different competitions and program around. CrossFit is far more than a training program. It is considered as a way of life. These workouts are not slowly done for the mere bumps in your arms or to flaunt it off, rather to boost up your life and health to an advanced level. It encourages a community of people to have proper nutrition, food and consistently motivate them to achieve their goals in life. This type of workout is pumped for by health conscious people who like to build up their stamina to put them through other exercises or their day. It goes without saying how a better body breeds a tranquiller soil and thoughts. Since the workout involves challenging exercise, your body fat or lipids, as we call it, will be burned within a few days. An unhealthy body will only harm negative thoughts or and diseases, diabetes, just to name a few. Undertaking strenuous workout, the CrossFit kind, may help you loosen up your mind, and you will be far away from getting harmed by lifestyle and other diseases along the same way. These were some of the benefits of pitching on CrossFit workout as opposed to the gym ones. Now you know how benefit is CrossFit workouts. It is a cardinal to understand the way in which it can be done effectively. There are numerous types of CrossFit workouts. To choose the best form, it is a denoted task. Workout depends on the level of your skills. There are beginners workouts which are comparatively simple and flexible for a new health bee. And there are advanced workouts which are combination of certain workouts. Nutrition. Since her workouts are extremely long and intense, Mav makes sure to give her body proper nutrient to let it recover. These primarily include proteins, carbs, fat and essential vitamins and minerals. She aims at having 4 to 6 balanced meals throughout the day. CrossFit athletes like Mav are famous for being able to consume load of calories without gaining a pound of weight. Due to the sheer demand of the sport, despite this, she does not being on junk food, instead eating plenty of protein to keep her athletic ability high. Idols and influences. According to Mav, different things motivate her at different times. Some days, her motivation lies in overcoming her weaknesses and pushing past mental barriers. On other days, her motivation comes from wanting to inspire others through her example on social media. She said, "I believe that anything is possible if you want it badly enough, so I enjoy the push and I enjoy the struggle. I may not be the most athletically gifted, but I suffer well. So I set goals and just keep going for them no matter what." Instagram. Mav Hatchery is a professional fitness trainer who is so famous on social media. Mav, one of the rising name in the Instagram community. Mav Hatchery has most fans on Instagram. Mav Hatchery has an enormous fan following. She is amongst one of the trending women on Instagram. Mav Hatchery normally shares her traveling video, workout videos, blog videos, horses riding videos, and modeling shoots over her Instagram. Mav Hatchery has been a face and promoter of numerous brands. Mav has a famous for her great performance. She has more than 460k plus followers on her Instagram handle, and Mav has uploaded 1.3k plus posts on her Instagram account. Mav follows that 794 accounts on her Instagram handle, and the average of the likes of Mav Instagram photos and videos gets 100k to 300k, sometimes less and more. And now what we can learn from Mav Hatchery. Mav Hatchery trains hard even when she does not feel like having a workout. She shows up in the gym even on the most difficult of days. She feels that her result in CrossFit are not a result of her genetics or because she is an athletically gifted individual, but because of the hard work that she puts in day and day out. This leaves us with the following lessons. Success is merely a product of consistent hard work. If you can maintain the same work ethic as Mav Hatchery, then you too could very well reach your own greatness. And thank you very much if you are watching our video till now, and if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new video like this. And what do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us. And what do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments.